Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to silence notifications from contacts in personal focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, click people under the silence notifications. And after that, as you will see, the silence notifications from is disabled, and all you have to do is just click it until there's a check mark on the side to enable. When the silence notifications is enabled, the personal focus is on, notifications from selected people will be silenced and sent to notification center. And that's it. We have successfully silenced notifications from contacts in personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.